this online classes. This online classes discuss about that arithmetic mean of group data. Yes, in this arithmetic group data, three methods are there. The first one is a direct method. The second one is a assumed mean method. Assumed mean method or deviation method. Deviation mean method. And third one is a step deviation method. Step deviation mean method. So direct method already have completed in the unproofed data. The same formula applied here. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. But here xi means class mass. Here xi means class mass. How to find the class mass? Xi is equal to average of upper boundary and lower boundary. Okay, actually this one doing in the group data, 4 columns are needed. First you frame the one of the table. The table 4 columns are needed. Suppose like this, Already 2 columns are given in that question. Let's suppose the class interval, frequency. Next you find out that class mass. Last one you find out the sigma f. So step 1. Choose here. Find that xi. Find xi. How xi is equal to lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. Step 2. How to take step 2? Multiplication of fi into xi. Multiply by fi xi. Next step 3. Find sigma fi and sigma fi xi and sigma fi. Step 4. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is a direct method. Next one, step deviation method. Assume mean method. That's another name, deviation method. That's why you get x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Here a means assumed mean. Di, how to calculation of the di? Xi minus a. What is the meaning of xi? Class mass. Xi means class mass. So first you should fill the one of the table. In this table some columns are there. I write this one, class interval, frequency. Next one you find out that class mass, di is xi minus a, and last column sigma fi di. So how many columns are there? Totally 5 columns are there in this method. So step 1 of this step assume mean method, choose a from class mass. Step 2, obtain di by subtract a from xi. That means simply di is equal to xi minus a. Next one, step 3. Step 3, find multiply fi di. Step 4, find sigma fi di and sigma fi. Step 5, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. This is a assumed method process. Next one, step deviation method. In the step deviation method formula, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. Here h means size of the class and mu I. How to find out the mu I? Mu I is equal to xi minus a by h. Mu I is equal to xi minus a by h. So, wait, in the step deviation process, first you fill the one table. In the table, how many columns you framed? Generally, first column class interval, next one frequency, next one class mass, next one du. You find that mu I is equal to xi minus a by x h. So fi mu I. How many columns you frame it? 5 columns you frame it. 5 columns you frame it. Okay guys, all understand? Now see step 1. Step 1. Choose A from class mass. Step 2. Obtain UI. How? Mu I is equal to xi minus a by h. Step 3. Find sigma fi mu I and sigma fi. Step 4. So x bar is equal to h class size. Step 5. X bar is equal to a plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. These all values are obtained in this step 5. You get that step deviation method. Okay, this process, these steps are there. Next one, I do one sum to cover up these 3 methods: direct method, assume method, step deviation method. Okay, right. The table below gives the percentage distribution of female teachers in primary schools of rural areas of various state and unitary states of India. So find mean percentage of female teachers using all three methods. Yes, one table is there. So percentage of female teachers, and number of states. Number of states are in United States. 15 to 25, 6, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85. 6, 11, 7, 4, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Very, very important sum. In this sum, 3 methods are including is there. The table below gives the percent distribution of female teachers in the primary schools of the rural areas of various states or United States of India. Find the mean percentage of female teachers using all three methods. Yes, each one can be find out mean. Mean, how many types methods are there? Again, it's the 3 methods are there. The 3 methods are to be this table. Here one table is there, percentage of female teachers and number of states of United. So here 15 to 25 6, 25 to 35 11, 35 to 45 7, 45 to 55 4, 55 to 65 4, 65 to 75 2, 75 to 85 1. Now I do the sum. First I frame the table in this question. This is all methods are there in this one. First, given the first percentage of female teachers. Next one, number of teachers, number of states. Okay. First I write this one, 15 to 25. 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85. Yes, 6, 11, 7, 4, 2, 6, 11, 7, 4, again 4, 2, 1. Table is not completed. Yes, next column, class mass. That's represented XY. Number of free states here represented XY. This is class interval CI. Here sigma Fi XI. Next one we find out the DI XI minus A. Next one we find out Fi DI. Next we find out the mu I, that's one xi minus a by h Fi mu I. Now you find out the class mass. Already know that class mass. How to find out the class mass? How to find out the class mass? Average of upper bound and lower bound. It's a continuous classes. Simply is to add 15 plus 25. So it is a 40. 40 by 2, 20. Again this one 25 35, this is a total 60. 60 by 20 to 60 by 2, 30. So simple one is logic. This what is the class size of the 10? So should we add the 10 of this class mass, the first one? 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 40, 40 plus 10 50, 50 plus 10 60, 60 plus 10 70, 70 plus 10 80. Why? Simply once again first you find out the one class mark of class intruder, that is you get the 20. After how to find out the next class mark? Just you will add the class size. So this is about the class size. 30 minus 25 class size is at 10. Okay guys. So you fill that class mark. You fill up the class mark column. Next you calculate the sigma. Fi xi. How to calculate the xi fi? It's meaning of multiplication of fi xi. Here fi this one, xi this one. Directly these two are the multiplication. So 6 20s 120. 11 30s 330. 7 40s 280. 4 50s 200. 4 60s 240. 2 70s 140 and 188. Add sigma fi xi. Add this one 0. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 8. That means 13. 13 plus 4 17. 17 plus 4 21. This one 21 plus 8 29. 9 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 1 13. So that's 1390. Wait. Next we find out that this one sigma fi. See 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 4 18. 18 plus 4 22. 22 plus 2 24. 24 plus 1 25. 5 2. 2 plus 1 3. This is it. Now direct method, you know. Yes, direct method. Direct method. What is the form of the direct method? X bar. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Here sigma fi xi value is there, that is a 1390. Sigma fi value is there, that is a 35. So x bar is equal to 1390 by 35. So this one is cancelled, this one how many times? Just check it. So wait. Next one. Di is equal to xi minus a. Di is equal to xi minus a. Actually, how to you calculate di? Yes, a is subtracted from mid values. First you choose that A from the mid values. In this case, I choose that one of the mid value, one of the A. Let's say simply total how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rows are there. Middle I select that frequency. That is I choose that one of the A from class MOS. 50 is I choose that A. That value is equal to 50. So A is equal to 50. In the opposite of in the column DI you write 0. Upside take it that minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. Why? Because you see your calculate you get these values. Yes, you have one small logic is there. What is the class size of in this sum? That is a 10. You write the negative numbers minus negative 10 after just you add 1 10 of that. So minus 20. Next to M10 is add 20, 30. So upside you write the negative values, downside you write the positive values. Plus 10, plus 20, plus 30. As net F5 di. F5 di. This is F5, this is a di. Multiplication. 6 into minus 30. 6 into minus 30. So minus 180. 11 into minus 20. Minus 220. 7 into minus 10. Minus 7. Next one. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. Next, 4 into 10, 40. 2 into 20, 40. Next one, 137, 30. In this column, some of the negative numbers are there, some of the positive numbers are there. First, you add the negative numbers with negative sign. So negative numbers. Please add sigma F5 di is equal to minus S0 8 plus 2 10 10 plus 7 17 1. So 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 4 minus 470 plus add this one 40 plus 40, 80, 80 plus 31. So simplification we get that minus 360. Minus 360. Now, see here, I write the second method, the assume mean method. Assume mean method. That's formula x bar is equal to A plus sigma F5 di by sigma F5. Already here find out the A value is equal to 50. That is the choose of A from that class cost, that is a 50. And sigma F5 di. Sigma F5 di. That's value here minus 360. Sigma F5 value 35. This all value substitution in this formula you get that assume mean. So x bar is equal to A value 50 plus this is minus 360 by 35 by 35. So 50 plus into minus 360 by 35. Wait. Don't calculation this one. Here don't calculation this. Wait. Next one. Third method, step deviation method. in the steps deviation method, mu I first you find out. How to calculate the mu I? Mu I is equal to xi minus a by h. So one logic is there in this case. Here you choose that assumed value, that is a. That place you write the immediately 0. Upside take the negative values minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Downside you take the plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Now do a multiplication of fi and mu I. How? 6 into minus 3, minus 18. 11 into minus 2, minus 22. 7 into minus 1, minus 7. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 1, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 3, 3. Now you calculate sigma f and mu. How to calculate? You observe this curve, some numbers are the negative numbers, some numbers are the positive numbers. Negative numbers should be add. Minus 8 minus 2, 10, 10, 17, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 47. So minus 47. Plus 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. That's simplification minus 36. Minus 36. Okay guys, now I calculate step deviation method. Step deviation method. Step deviation method. What's the formula? X bar is equal to a plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. First you note down the values. A is equal to 50. Sigma fi mu I is equal to, how much is that one? Minus 36. This value sigma fi value minus 35. H is 10. These all values are substitution in this one. You get that S. X bar is equal to a 50 plus minus 36 by 35 into 10. 50 plus into minus 360 by 35. You calculate and get the X bar. So in this sum, three methods are there: direct method, assumed method, and the step deviation method. But I did not complete this one, direct method and assumed method and step deviation method. Why? Because I am leaving that answers. Now your calculation of the answers. 1390 by 35. How many times is cancelled? That is a 39.71. This one is calculated, you get this answer is x bar is equal to 39.71. This one you calculate, this answer is equal to 39.71. In the three methods, you get the same answers. Check it. Okay, guys? Do you understand? So, in the direct method, you apply this formula sigma fi xi by sigma fi. And the assumed mean method, you apply the formula x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Step deviation method, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi mu I by sigma fi into h. Okay? In this mean topic is completed. Mean of proofed data and mean of unproofed data I have completed. Now next one topic is a mode. Again it's discuss about the unproofed data and proofed data. First discuss about the mode of unproofed data. If an observation occurs most frequently of given data, that is called a mode. if an observation occur most frequently of given data, that is called a mode of ungrouped data. So the mode is a exist or not exist. Sometimes it is exist, sometimes it is not exist. Mode is a exist, suppose it is unique or not unique. Sometimes the mode is get that unique mode, and sometimes you get that mode is a bi mode, and sometimes you get it the tri mode. Suppose I write that some examples. I give that some examples. Five, 6, 9, 10, 6, 12, 3, 6, 11, 10, 4, 6, 7. Find more. Find more. Next question. 20, 3, 7, 13, 3, 4, 6, 11, 7, 19, 15, 7, 18, 3. Find more. Yes, in this case, mode. Mode means what the definition of mode? Which one observation occur most frequently? That is called a mode. Which one in this raw data? In this raw data it means unproofed data. In unproofed data, which one more frequently? 6. 6. How many times are repeated here? 3 times are repeated. That's the value. So the mode equal to 6. How many get that answers? Only one. So it is called a unique mode or unique model. Anyone's no problem. So the mode is represented by Z. Z is equal to 6. Next one. In this case, mode Z is equal to which one answer repeated? Check it. 3. 3 is repeated 3 times. So that is a mode. Wait. One more number is repeated the same times. 7. It is also mode. So in this case, mode is set 2. One is 3, another 7. So that is a bimode. That is a bimode. Okay? Mode is exist or not exist. Any number is not repeated. What is the mode? 0. It's wrong. The mode is not exist. Why? Because no one repeated. So mode is exist or not exist. Okay guys? Next. Mode is only get that only one. That is a unique mode. Mode is get that 2. That is a bimode. And it is easily to understand. Easily to understand. So now mode of group data. Mode of group data. As here one formula is there, Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is the meaning of L? Lower boundary. Lower boundary of model class. Of the model class. Lower boundary of model class. Next one, H. Size of model class. Size of the model class. Next one, F1, that is the highest frequency of the frequency, or frequency of the model class. Model class. Next one, F0, frequency of the F naught, frequency of the preceding of the median mode class. Preceding of the model class. Okay, F naught means frequency of class, frequency of class of preceding of the model class. Yes, frequency of the class of preceding of the model class. Next, F2, frequency of class of succeed the model class. Okay guys, do you understand? Mode of the unproof data, z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is equal to lower bound of the model class, H is equal to size of the model class, F1 is equal to frequency of the model class, F0 is equal to frequency of the class of preceding of the model class, and F2 is equal to frequency of the class of the succeeding of the model class. This one the group data of the mode. Okay guys, do you understand? Next class I will discuss about that this one model and median. Okay.